If you're watching this video, you are probably new to trading Memecoin, or you're trying to get into it, or maybe you're just a trader trying to switch platforms. Regardless, BullX has been my favorite platform to use, and I've used Photon and Trojan in the past, but BullX has been my main trading platform. So I'm going to show you how to get started. You're going to go to neo.bullx.io. You're going to click connect Telegram. You're going to download Telegram desktop if you don't have it already. If you don't have it already, just search Telegram desktop real quick over here, download, and you would install it, and you would click start bot and open Telegram desktop. Alright, so from here you're gonna see this bot. It's gonna be BullX Neo. You're gonna click start. Alright, so now you're just gonna copy paste the link in the description, and from there it's gonna grant you access and take you off the waitlist, and from here you're just gonna click login. Alright, so now I'm logging in. Alright, so now it's going to show you your private keys. Make sure to copy this, store this somewhere, write it down, do what's necessary. Alright, so final chance to save your private keys. You're going to click I've saved them. And now here you go. This is the main interface, and this is what BullX looks like. One thing I forgot to mention was if you want to import your Phantom wallet or any other Solana wallet, you would go over here to the left, click Wallet Manager, click Import, and then you would copy paste your private key of whatever wallet you're using, and then click Import Wallet, and then just make sure to click the three dots over here and then make it your primary wallet. And then from there you should be all set to trade these meme coins. But yeah, so I started trading Solana meme coins in December 2024, no prior experience whatsoever, and it's been quite an experience. I have lost all my money, and I also ended up making it all back, and I've been turning consistent profits since. And I recently made my first deposit to my cold wallet. And yeah, beyond that, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Best luck to all of you. I'll see y'all in the trenches.